Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 10. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days for maximum benefit. Now, if you have just stumbled upon this video, that is perfectly fine, and you can do it on its own. You're going to get a great practice out of it. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. Now today we will be working with a prop, so preferably have either a bolster or two pillows ready. Alternatively, you can also use blocks. However, because we are doing a Yin Yoga practice, it might be better to have something softer to support yourself versus blocks. And we'll begin with, I'm sorry if you hear some barking, but my dog is super excited right now. Hopefully the mic cancels him out. We will be starting with a neck stretch, so just make sure that you are seated in a position that you can be in for a little while longer, whether it is in an easy seat, kneeling, just pick something that you can stay in for several minutes. And once you get into that position, just bring the left ear down towards the left shoulder. You can also extend your arm out to the side to intensify the stretch. Make sure that your shoulders are nicely lowered. And breathe here, enjoying this few minutes with ourselves. With the help of your left hand, return your head back to center. Take a second here. And then drop your right ear towards the right shoulder, getting a nice stretch in the side of your neck. And you can also bring the left fingertips down to the mat to intensify the stretch. You choose the intensity, you choose what feels best for you in this very moment. With the help of your right hand, return your head to center. Again, take a moment here. And now it's time to grab your props because we will be moving into a supported fish. So if you're using blocks, just place them in a T shape so that the longer edge of the block goes in between your shoulder blades and the shorter edge of the block supports your head. If you're using a yoga bolster, just place it at the top of your mat so that you can rest your back and your head on it. And if you are using regular pillows, just make sure that you are really supported behind the head and behind the back. And we will be opening our chest with this pose. So once you have your props positioned, just make your way onto your back. Rest against your prop, position or reposition yourself as needed. And then you can extend your legs long, letting the feet flop to the side. And then you can bring your arms down by your side so you are almost in a Savasana state, but with this nice element of chest opening added in. We'll be here for a few minutes, so just breathe nice and deep and really melt into the support beneath you. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Deepen the breath. Now, if you are using pillows, you can, if you prefer this way, just roll onto your side to get off the prop. If you're using blocks or if rolling to one side doesn't feel good to you, even if you're using a pillow, you can brace yourself on the forearms, tuck the chin, and then roll yourself slowly up. Remove your prop and make your way into Savasana. Extend your legs long and let the feet flop to the sides. Let your arms rest down by your sides with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of the neck. You can even make a little double chin here if that helps you lengthen the back of your neck. And then melt into the support beneath you, into the ground beneath you. And just breathe. Breathe and integrate this practice for a few more minutes. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can take a nice deep stretch if that feels good to you. And then roll onto one side first. Before using your hands to press yourself back up into a seat. Take any seated position that feels good to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And now just call upon the day that you've had. And as you call upon your day, Ask yourself, what is something that you can perhaps celebrate or appreciate, be grateful for, or maybe proud of? What is something that comes to mind that evoke those feelings within you? And as it evokes those feelings within you, just ask them to amplify. Allow them to spread through your body, through your every cell, with every single breath that we'll take together right now in silence. I want to thank you so, so much for practicing with me today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.